Kim Kardashian is an American reality TV star, model, entrepreneur, and spokesperson. She is one of the most famous and highest-earning celebrities on the planet. As of 2020, Kim Kardashian's net worth is estimated to be around $900 million. When you combine her husband Kanye West's net worth, the pair are worth a total of $4.1 billion. In a given year, Kim earns $50 to $80 million. Between June 2018 and June 2019, Kim earned $72 million from her various endeavors, and then between June 2019 and June 2020, she earned $50 million. So how does Kim Kardashian make and spend her money, you ask? Well, in this video, I will tell you all you need to know about her fabulous lifestyle and income sources. But before we get into all that, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe if you are new here. With that out of the way, let's begin. Just before we get into Kim Kardashian's lifestyle and income sources, let's take a brief look into her early life and rise to fame. Kim Kardashian was born on October 21, 1980 in Los Angeles, California. Kim's father, Robert Kardashian, was one of O.J. Simpson's defense lawyers. Her mother is Kris Kardashian, also known as Kris Jenner. Kim started her career in Hollywood as an assistant and stylist to other famous stars, and one of her early clients was Paris Hilton, an already famous socialite and best friend. Kim Kardashian has a big family, including sisters Kourtney and Khloe Kardashian, along with her mother Kris and two half-sisters Kendall and Kylie Jenner, and they all feature in the popular reality TV show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Over the last 10 years, Kim has risen the ranks of stardom to become one of the most famous and successful celebrities on the planet. She is a literal media mogul who runs an extremely profitable business empire. Today, Kim's empire includes a cosmetic line, personal appearance fees, television salary, a clothing line, weight loss products, perfume, and retail endorsements. Kim first gained major attention after an infamous sex tape featuring her and Reggie was released. But Kim Kardashian turned this scandal fame into her own reality show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians on the E! Network, and the rest is history. Since then, Kim's fame and net worth has skyrocketed to the stratosphere. She has starred in movies, graced thousands of magazine covers, and has appeared on several reality spin-offs. So how is Kim Kardashian making her money? Well, one of her most valuable businesses is the KK Beauty W line, which generates over $100 million in gross revenue each year. For a time, a large portion of Kim's annual earnings come thanks to royalties generated by the mobile game Kim Kardashian Hollywood. To date, the game has been downloaded more than 60 million times and has generated $200 million in revenue. The remainder of Kim's annual earnings come from endorsements, appearance fees, reality TV salary, and paid Instagram sponsorships. Considering she has a massive Instagram following of 195 million people as of the time of making this video. Kim also has a line of training products, a clothing line at Sears, and much more. In June 2020, Kim sold a 20% stake of her KK Beauty W line for $200 million, valuing the company as whole at a staggering $1 billion. Kim also raised $5 million from venture capital firm Imaginary Ventures to launch a line of shapewear called Skims. Now let's take a look at Kim's luxury lifestyle, houses, cars, and other fancy things she got. Kim Kardashian is married to music and business mogul Kanye West. Together, they have an insane combined wealth of about $4.1 billion, allowing her to splurge big on whatever her heart desires. In March 2010, Kim bought a $4.8 million mansion in Beverly Hills. It's a Tuscan-style 5-bedroom sprawling across 4 acres in some of the most expensive real estate in the world. Kim and Kanye's mega mansion in Calabasas is considered a masterpiece. Spread over 6,700 square feet, the mammoth mansion features 4 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, a dining room, multiple living rooms, a swimming pool, a spa, a media room, and multiple fireplaces. Surrounded by high walls and guarded by security gates, the entire house includes multiple windows and doors, bringing in more air and sunlight and saving more energy. The one bedroom features a large-sized bed and large-sized windows bringing in fresh light. The spacious dining room includes a blazing log fire, rectangular dining table with matching chairs, a marvelous hanging chandelier, and multiple entrances. The sitting room incorporates a giant screen and a large-sized sofa. The master bathroom features his and her sinks and a major large shower. The kitchen is well equipped with up-to-date equipment and appliances. The marvelous garden features a large-sized swimming pool and several patio areas. It also includes a barbecue zone with fridge, and an outdoor sink. The incredible mega mansion is now worth $60 million. Kim has also purchased a Mediterranean-styled mansion on January 2013 for a whopping $11 million. The property will serve as the permanent residence for the reality TV star and her husband. Kim also owns some of the most expensive luxury cars money can buy. Some of the most notable cars in her insane $20 million car collection includes a Range Rover Vogue, which she customized by getting it moderately redesigned. The car customization comprised of painting the grille black, putting 24-inch Agito wheels, and adding new headlights. The eminent actress also owns a white Rolls-Royce Ghost, which she adores driving, inspired by its seductively exquisite design, stunning bonnet finish, and glorious-looking naturally styled interiors. Kim also bought the white Ferrari 458 Italia in 2011 for a hefty $325,000. Equipped with a commanding 4.5-liter V8 engine, the majestic car attains a top speed of 202 mm per hour and comfortably accelerates from 0 to 62 mm per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Kim also owns a 2010 Maserati Gran Turismo convertible, featuring a head-turning style, traffic-stopping design, and delivering a streaming performance. The two-door luxury sports car is one of the most insane cars on the road. Ideally matching Kim's charisma and style, the Bentley GTC Continental is one another masterpiece from the car giant Bentley. The two-door luxury convertible's powerful turbocharged W12 engine develops 552 horsepower and rushes the luxury convertible from 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds. Other luxury cars in Kim's collection includes a 2013 Mercedes G63 worth $150,000, a Rolls-Royce Ghost worth $265,000, a Rolls-Royce Phantom worth $405,000, a Porsche Panamera Turbo, and a Bentley Mulsanne. Kim also owns a massive private jet that carries her and her family worth $20 million. So this was a little walk through Kim Kardashian's income sources and luxury lifestyle. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, then don't hesitate to press the like button and subscribe if you are new here. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you in the next. More interesting videos on the way.